Alrighty, Bhute. So let's have a look at the answers for the laws and negative indices grade 8 homework. Section A. So it pretty much says the first one, question A says x to the power of 3 times by x to the power of 5. When we have same base multiplication, what do we do? The index rule says add the powers up. So it will be a x to the power of 3 plus 5, which is going to be x to the power of 8. And then we have m to the power of 7 divided by m to the power of 4. When we have same base division, what do? We subtract the powers, right? So it will be a m7 minus 4, that will be a m to the power of 3. And then Pudha, when we have a to the power of 2 to the power of 4, yeah, this is what do we call it, Pudha? We call it a power of a power. Power of a power will multiply everybody's powers. So 4 times 2, that's going to be how much? A to the power of 4 times 2, that's going to be a to the power of 8. Then we got question D, which is 3y to the power of 2. No power means what power, Pute? No power means one power is there. And the power of a power will multiply everybody's power. So it will be a 3 to the power of 2 and y to the power of 2. 3 to the power of 2 is a 9 and a y to the power of 2. That's the answer there. And after that, let's go to the second question under section A. So question number 2, let's go question by question. First one, it says 2a to the power of 3b times by 5a to the power of 2b to the power of 4. Now, when we have something like this, what did we do? We multiplied the numbers together, then term wise we did it. Yeah. So 2 times 5, how much is that? That's a 10. A to the power of 3 and a to the power of 2, that's a to the power of 5. Just a b means what? Yeah. No power means there's a 1 power. B times by b to the power of 4, that's a b to the power of 5. Then the next question. 8 x to the power of 5 y to the power of 3 divide by 4xy square. When we have something like this, what do? Division, no? Yeah, we don't like, in algebra, we really don't like to write division. We just write it as a fraction. So let's write it down as a fraction. So 8x to the power of 5 y to the power of 3 over 4xy to the power of 2. Now let's start to do some cutting and chopping. So 8 and 4, 4 times tables 1, 4 times tables 2. 1x is down here, 5x is up here. So the down x will cancel and make this 5 into a 4. 2 y's are here, 3 y's are here. So all the 2 y's will cancel and make this 3 into a 1. That will give me 2x to the power of 1, y to the power of 1, and just a 1 left out. So denominator 1 means it's just a whole number. 2x to the power of 1 power means we don't really need to write that power itself. So x and a y. 2xy is the answer there. Then we got this question, which is 2xy square to the power of 3. So no power means 1 power, no power means 1 power. 3 times by this, 3 times by this, 3 times by this. That will give you 2 to the power of 3, x to the power of 3, and y to the power of 6. 2 to the power of 3 means 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is a 4, 4 times 2 is 8. X to the power of 3, y to the power of 6. Yep. And then the last but not the least is our final question on the section A. Yep. So let's go through that really quickly. We got 3p square q to the power of 2 times by 2p q to the power of 3. No power means 1 power is there. So 3, you multiply the power of a power. That will give you p to the power of 2 times 2 is a 4 q to the power of 2 times 1 is a 2 times by 2. This means p to the power of 1. No power means 1 power, we know that. And then e to the power of 3. 3 times by 2, that's a 6. P to the power of 4 and p to the power of 1, that's p to the power of 5. Q to the power of 2 and q to the power of 3, that's a q to the power of 5. So that is our answer there. So that's the end of section A, basic index laws. And let's have a look at section B later.